Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to create cute Instagram story highlight covers like the ones you see here on Canva using my watercolor circles and gold sparkles. They're very easy to make and they just look so adorable. Now, you'll open your Canva and then go to create new design and select Instagram story as the size because that's the right size. You'll get a plain white canvas. Click on plus, add images. Select your watercolor circle and then using the corner toggle just press, hold and drag and drop. The design will stay centered. You want to make sure that the circle is centered so that it appears properly on Instagram story highlights. Then click on the black area to set it. Now plus again, images, and select your gold sparkles. You can adjust the size, move them around like this, and click on the black area to set it. Now I'm quite happy with this, so I'm going to save it. To save it, you click on the downward arrow key on top right. Now this image is saved in my camera roll and I can upload it from there on Instagram. Now if I want to make another design, you can go back, plus Instagram story, and go to blank and add your image here. So yep, set it. Now each time I'm adding a new element, I make sure that I'm setting it before adding a second element so that it doesn't disturb my existing elements. Now again, I want some little hearts, so I'll choose the gold glitter hearts and add them. Happy with this, save it, and it's done. Now the key thing to remember here is that when you're saving these watercolor circles and the gold glitter hearts to your phone, you want to make sure that they're saved as PNG files. Now see, this is my Google Drive and I've saved my files which come as PNG files with transparent backgrounds in your download. You want to long click and then save to camera roll. This way it will save it as a PNG file. Please don't take a screenshot because in that case it will save the file with the black background that you see, or in case your phone shows a white background, that's what's going to be saved. So you want to save, long click and save to camera roll instead, and that'll save it as a PNG file and it'll retain the lovely transparent background. That's how I've saved all of these files on my phone and they show up with transparent backgrounds and we are able to create these designs on Canva. I hope this video was helpful to you and happy creating.